Very good morning, dear brothers, sisters, and students. Hope you all are doing well, all are fine. I am Arvind Tiwari. I am from Kulmaa Stock Market Literacy Mission. Today I am going to teach you 10 money making ways from stock market. Stock market is a legal way. It's governed by the government to make money. Okay, it's same as the crypto, same as the forex, but since it's a legal way, so we should focus more on the stock market, and we are going to teach you 10 ways how to earn money from stock market. There will be two parts of this video. In first part, we are going to teach you 5 ways. In next part, we are going to teach you another 5 ways. But before we start the video, I want to quote one thing. The way to become rich is to make money, not to save money. That means if you want to be rich, we have to invest money in stock market. We have to make money from money, not to save the money in bank FD or in saving account. We have to invest little amount in stock market and start compounding and just start making money from the stock market. In these 5 ways, in these 5 methods, we are going to cover all the things point by point, and after that I am also going to tell you my favorite method, what I use for making money. The first way is day trading intraday. Second way is swing trading momentum. Third way is long-term investing. Fourth is scalping, and fifth is the dividend investing. I just describe you one by one. In day trading, if there is one stock, ABC stock, and if morning 9 a.m. and this is the 6 p.m. of evening, if one stock start trading at the stock exchange at 9 a.m. and if the stock exchange going to close at 6 p.m., then we have to buy it here or anytime, and we have to close the position by here. This is called the intraday, means day trading. In intraday, we have to buy the stock in the same day. We have to sell the stock in the same day. That means we have to cover the position. Of course, exchange gives more margin in this, but we have to avoid intraday because we have no time to extend our profit or extend our loss if we are doing something. So intraday is the day trading. In the morning we can buy, in the evening we can sell. In the swing trading, what we are going to do in the swing trading means the position of, if the stock is ABC and today is 10-10, and if we are willing to hold the position for 7 days plus 7 days, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, maximum 3 months, like that, then this is called the swing trading. That means if any stock start trading from here, then it goes here by this way. That means it will go up, then down, up, down, up, down. Then we have to buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. That means we have to buy at the lower position and sell at the higher position. That is known as the swing trading. Then we have time in our hand. We can wait for 7 days. We can wait for 1 month, maximum 3 months. If you are going to hold our one position, that is known as the swing trading. Third is the long-term investing. That is the positional trading. Long-term means if you are going to hold any stock more than one year, 1 year plus, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, like that. That means if you are going, we will show you one chart in another video. If you are, there is stock name is ABC and we just invest our money here, and if you are going to hold for 2 year or 3 year, then stock may go up and it can give us 40% or 50% return of our invested amount. That is known as the long term. That means in day trading, same day we have to cover the position. In swing trading, 7 days to 3 months. We have to cover the position. In long trading, 1 year to 3 years. We have to cover the position. There is no any rule for that, but this type of investment, this type of method is known as day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Scalping is a part of intraday. That means in the day also, if you are going to work on 1 minute chart and we are just going to buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, that is known as scalping. Means immediately buy, immediately sell, immediately buy, immediately sell. That is known as the scalping. The most is the dividend investing. These are the 4 methods. Intraday means daily, swing means 7 to 3 months, 7 days to 3 months, long term 1 year to 3 years, scalping 5 minute or 10 minute type of trading. Dividend, what is a dividend? Dividend is known as the performance bonus to our shareholder. For example, this is the ABC stock and there is 10% profit came in this stock and there are 100 shareholder. Okay, shareholder means if you buy one stock of that ABC company, then you will be known as the shareholder. Then if you are going to hold this stock and in that time if this company is going to give some profit, what they do, if they take 10% profit, out of this 10% profit, either 5% or 2% profit, they will distribute in these 100 shareholders. That means if you are a shareholder, then you will get some extra amount apart from your investment, apart from your increase of your amount invested in that particular stock, you will get some extra amount that is known as the dividend. Means dividend is a part of profit decided by the board of that company to give to their shareholders at the year end, either in one time in 1 year or maybe 2 times also. Sometimes some company gives in every 6 months. Some company gives normally 1 time in 1 year. That means dividend is a part of profit which board decides to give their shareholder as a bonus, as a extra performance bonus. So these are the 5 methods. These are the 5 methods which we can learn one by one. 1, 2, 3. One by one will teach you, and we are going to learn this, and we are going to work on this, and after that we can work on this 5 plus next 5, and we can earn money from stock market by sitting at home by just using the mobile. It's a very big thing, but we have to put our mind, we have to work closely on the chart, on the stock candles. What is the candles, what is the chart, how it frames, you understand all these things. This is the first video on this channel. Hope you understand. If you have any confusion, just put your comment in the comment box just below this video. And also we are going to request, because this is the first channel in your country, so we are going to request just subscribe it and press the like button, then all the video will come directly to your inbox. So that's all for the today. Hope you understand all the things. Just put the comment if you have any confusion. Thank you. Stay invested. Thank you.